Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing the torn pages and the only way keyblade. This is essential. Once done, check your inventory and confirm the exact page count because page sets determine effect strength. Make sure to equip the only way ability or place pages into the slot the game uses for page upgrades. Do not delay. Open the menu now and assign pages, then exit the menu to begin the next step immediately so you can use them in combat. You activate only way during a fight by using its command. Timing is key. Once you trigger it, press your attack button right after the opening animation to chain the page effects together, because the game reads quick follow-ups as continued combos. Make sure to angle your character toward clustered enemies so the area coverage hits multiple targets, and focus on foes you can stun or stagger, as that prolongs the only way window and multiplies damage. You finish by using a deliberate finisher or magic to fully consume the page bonus. Doing so locks in the extra damage, so time it at the combo peak. Once done, optimize by upgrading pages or boosting ability strength to extend duration and potency. Make sure your ability slots don't conflict. If only way doesn't trigger, reassign the torn pages, verify no other commands override the slot, and reload a checkpoint if animations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.